song.
दोस्त दोस्त ना रहा
दोस्त ना रहा, प्यार प्यार ना रहा,
जिंदगी
हमें तेरा
एतबार ना रहा एतबार ना रहा o Farid xush kelibsizlar Buxoroga Buxoro zo'r denglar
Buxoro zo'r denglar.
Zargarlik kasbida necha yildan beri shug'ullanadi, qachondan beri shug'ullanadi, ota bobolardan qolib kelganmi? Bu zargarlik san'ati Hindistonda qanday qadrlanadi? Shu haqida bir qisqacha eshitsak. Buxoro xalqi uchun juda qiziq bu.
How long have you been working? Have you been working this kind of work?
I'm doing it from my childhood. Actually, this is my family work. We are doing it from a
O'zbekiston
long time.
xalqi bu hindistonliklarni albatta kinolarni biz yoshligimizdan ko'rib, shularni kinosiga mehrimiz uyg'ongan, ayniqsa Raj Kapoor o'ynagan kinolar bizni qalbimizdan joy olgan.
Can you tell us about your opinion about Uzbekistan, about Bukhara, about this kind of festival?
I love to be Uzbekistan. I like it too much, and people also like my work, what I do in India.
Yana shu yerda
I like it,
albatta hammani qiziqtiradigan savol shu tarixiy shaxs bizni bobomiz Bobur Mirzo Hindistonda bor Toj Mahalni qurganlar. Shuni Hindistonni aksariyat 70% xatyabi biladimi shu Bobur bizni yurtimizda tug'ilganligini?
So do you know about the Zahriddin Muhammad Bobur?
Yeah, I know him, and I know this also that he was from Uzbekistan. I think, as I heard, he was from Samarkand.
Do you know his name? Not some.
Yeah, I know his name.
Can you tell it in a full version? His name.
His name is
Like Zahriddin Muhammad.
Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur. Yes, we know him. He was the Mughal Empire.
And he also built the Taj Mahal.
Yes.
Do you know about it? And
Yeah,
did
I
you
know
visit
about it.
it?
I know. I have been many times to visit our Taj Mahal, and I already know that the Babur was Zahiruddin Babur.
Yes.
Was from here, from.
Do you know that why he built this kind of building? For for him. For whom?
Actually, no.
Aytdilar, men so'radim, nima uchun Toj Mahalni qurganligi haqida bilasizmi dedim. Ha, bilaman dedilar. Ya'ni o'zlarining xotinlari uchun qurganliklari uchun va bu Hindistonga, ya'ni sevgini ramzi sifatida qolgan. Ya'ni about the organization,
Yeah, it's
their food, their
organization team is very polite. They are very sweet, peaceful people here. I love to be here, and I like organizer team also so much. They support me a lot. Yes.
Ketik. Dost dost na
प्यार प्यार
प्यार प्यार ना
जिंदगी हमें तेरा एतबार ना रहा,
एतबार
दोस्त दोस्त ना रहा, प्यार प्यार ना रहा.
Organization very best. I am very happy and enjoy our good self in this program.
It's my 7th generations there.
sing the
I'm
Raj
7th generation.
Kapoor's song. Do you want to come again the next festival?
Yeah, sure. I want to come again here next. Every year I want to come here. I love Bukhara. I love Uzbekistan.
Biz sizni kinolaringizni sevib ko'rganmiz. Shundan yuragimdan joy olgan bir kino Raj Kapoor o'ynagan. Shu kinodan bir lavha do'st qo'shig'ini birgalikda aytsak nima deysizlar?
Can you sing with them the Raj Kapoor song?
Which song? Yeah.
Eng zo'r aytaylik keng. Rahmat. Buxoro
Buxoro zo'r.